Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel and welcome to Diwalog 2018. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 outfit ideas that you could wear to a Diwali party or on the actual day of Diwali as well. And all the 3 outfits are under ₹1000, so it's kind of like the 1000 rupee challenge. And also they're from D-Mart. I posted this one video which was titled I wear D-Mart clothes for a week, and you guys seem to really like the video, so I thought I should bring like the D-Mart element back. I personally love the collection displayed in D-Mart. You definitely do have to look for it, like really search and try to find like the gems, but there are definitely a lot of hidden gems like you will see in today's video. So also one more thing, whenever I post these D-Mart videos, you guys ask me which particular D-Mart I went to. I'm so sorry, but I cannot tell you like the exact one that I went to because it's close to my house and it'll reveal where I stay. But you can really go to any D-Mart. I've been to like 5 or 6 different D-Marts and all of them have such good collection, and usually the collection is very similar in all the D-Marts. So you could just go to the one that is near you. And I think I've said enough. Let's just get started with today's video. Let's start with outfit number 1, which is also my favorite outfit. I'm definitely going to be wearing this either on Diwali or some sort of Diwali party. So I started off by buying this anarkali, the yellow anarkali, which looks kind of like a dress, and that's because I bought a size bigger because I wanted it to look kind of like a dress. So I started off by buying this anarkali, which was for $5.99, and in order to make this outfit a little bit more dressy, I picked up this jacket which was net, like the fabric was net, and it was for $2.99. I love the way pink and yellow complement each other. Also the anarkali has a little bit of pink in it, so it just looks perfect. So as I mentioned earlier, the budget for me is ₹1000, but that only includes like the clothing items because D-Mart doesn't really sell accessories and shoes. They do sell shoes, but they aren't that great. So the total of the outfit comes exactly to 1000 rupees. But as for accessories, I wore these copper jhumkas which I got from Colaba Causeway, and they were for ₹200. I didn't want to go over the top, so I just stuck to earrings. And as for shoes, I picked up these tan heels which are for 250 rupees, and I got them from Hill Road. I have them in a bunch of colors and they're such a staple to have. And this is the complete look of the outfit. Do let me know what you guys think and which one is your favorite. Now for outfit number 2, I had kind of like a monochromatic theme in my mind, which is why I went for this like turquoise look from head to toe. So I started off by picking the plain nude sort of kurti, which was for 250 rupees, and that is kind of like the basic in the entire outfit since the palazzos and the jacket are very loud. I loved the emerald turquoise-ish color and it went perfectly with the palazzos that I picked up. The palazzos were for 450 rupees, which is actually kind of steep for D-Mart in my opinion. So D-Mart had such beautiful jackets, like ethnic jackets, and I bought a bunch of them. This is one of them. This jacket was for 299 rupees, and it has some really beautiful copper design all over it. In order to accessorize, I wore my beautiful turquoise earrings which are from Colaba Causeway, and they are for ₹250. They went perfectly with my monochromatic look. And to complete the look, I wore my nude pair of heels which are again from Hill Road, and they were for 250 rupees. And yeah, this is what the entire outfit looks like. And outfit number 3 is definitely not a traditional outfit because it's black from head to toe, but I intentionally decided to add a sort of contemporary fusion outfit because I know a lot of people who like to wear black because I was one of them in the past. So I did want to have this as an option. So for this outfit, I started off by wearing a plain black camisole which you can get for 99 rupees from D-Mart, and the jacket that I'm wearing is for 299. It's really beautiful, and I think you can definitely wear this not only on Indian clothes but Western wear as well. And for the bottoms, I got plain black palazzos which were for 200 rupees, and as for the shoes, the same Hill Road shoes but in the color black for 250. And lastly for the earrings, I wore these beautiful golden drop earrings which were for 150 rupees, and also the total of this entire outfit is 1000 rupees including the accessories and shoes. And this is what the final outfit looks like. And yeah, that's it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed and of course found it helpful. I tried to make this lookbook as affordable and stylish at the same time. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you found it helpful, and follow me on my Instagram. I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Tag.
that